Hi everyone! I'm back with another video, and in this one we are going to be making origami lilies. So here are two that I already made for display to show you guys. Oops. And you can see that this one is curling back up, but that's already fine. This is how they look like. They're super duper cute. And oops, I've been putting them in a little jar. So they look like this in my little jar. And what you're going to be needing is one piece of origami paper and a type of pencil or pen. So starting off, what we're going to do is make sure you have you know what your front side is and what your back side is. We're going to start on the back side, and we're going to make a diagonal fold. Just like this. So what I did was I took one corner, brought to the other corner, and now I'm going to bring this corner, bring it up to this corner. Open it up, and now we're going to go ahead and turn it around in a square position, and we're going to fold it in half, both vertically and horizontally. I'm so sorry if you can hear the bell in the background. I think someone has come to our house. Just like that. Open it up. And just like this. Now what you're going to do is open this, and on the back side you can see that there's a point here. Push on it and you'll get something like this. Now what you're going to do is you'll see that these are lower. You're gonna fold this inside like this, and you're gonna fold this. There you go. Just like that. I'm so sorry if you can hear any of the background. And that's what we have right now. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go like this. Oops, sorry, we're gonna open this flap up and we're gonna push it down. So what I'm gonna do is open it up with my pencil and push it down like this. There we go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and fold this in half. Oops, sorry. Fold this in half like that and start doing it on every single other flap. So the reason I use my pencil is at the end sometimes it gets a little wobbly, and I want to make sure that everything is perfect. Just like that. Fold it in half. And then I'm going to turn this whole thing upside down, around. Turn it around. Open this. Open it like that. And then fold it completely down. Just like that. And then fold this in half. Oops, I'm so sorry if I put that out of view. Open this up. And we'll then and then you're gonna go ahead and take your pencil once again and open it, and you're just gonna fold this down. Sorry if you heard anything in the background. My mom just came into my room accidentally. Just like that. And then this is what I have. Now what you're going to do is you're going to work with the side that looks like this on top, and you're going to bring the sides into the middle. So like this. Just like this and like this. This is how it's going to look like. And then we're going to go ahead and do this with all of the other flaps. Sorry. I realized that I keep bringing it out of the camera's view. Sorry that my family's a little louder than usual today. And just like this. And lastly, this flap. Just like that. And so now we have all of these. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half upwards, just like this. Fold that back down, and what you're going to do is you're going to open these and this, and you're going to, this part you're just going to fold down. And then these parts you're going to use your finger to open this up, bring it all the way down, and fold it like this. And I'll do it again. You can see, so just like that. So that, and fold on it. And you're gonna do these with all of the 4 that you've created. Oops. This one is a little harder. It's okay if they look a little weirder than they are. So I have, and I know it looks kind of ugly right now, but don't worry, it'll turn out well. This is my third one. Open it up. Crease down like that. And and the last one. Open it up. Open it up like that. There we go. And so it should look like this on the edges. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring this up. So all of the ones that you just made, oops, should be more. All of those that you just made, you're just gonna fold it up like that. Just wanna make sure that these are good when folded on the side. Bring this up. And this. And last one. So you'll know that the one you're supposed to bring up is the one that you made the creases on, so there'll be like a little white line in the middle. And bring this one up. Now we are like 75% done. I know this one has been a little longer and a little harder as well. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna, oh, 1 second. This is the top and this is the bottom. So the bottom ones, you're gonna bring the sides into the center. And this part does matter, so try to be as accurate as you can because it'll show in the last piece. So this is how you do the fold. And you can see in the fold that this is this type of piece. Okay. Then go ahead and do it on every one. And then for this last one, since I've done all three on the back, I'm just gonna flatten it out like this. And start doing it. And oops, I think I missed one. Oh no, this is just part of this. Okay. So now what you'll have is on the top, you'll have this. You'll have two on the sides. 1, 2, and 1 on the back. So you're gonna go ahead and take your pencil or pen and slowly curl it down. Just like that. So this is how my first one looks. I'm not really good at the curling. You might be, you might not be. It's all cool, because they'll look pretty at the end anyways. I usually like holding it at the end, so it's a little better. Okay, then. And the last one. Oops. There we go. That's how it looks like. And with these, you can even take another one, like this purple one, and put it inside. So now you're gonna have to adjust it a little bit, as you can see. But let me show you. It kind of looks like these are the leaves of the lily, so it looks really, really pretty in my opinion. You're just gonna have to adjust it a little bit, make sure that it's all done, but it does look really nice. So if you do it, I hope it works out well for you. And thank you for joining in for today. Oops, let me put all these in my jar. There we go. It kind of looks cute. I like putting it on my desk. And thank you so much for joining me for today's lesson. And I hope to see you all later. Thank you.